In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Vimeo video efficiently. Whether you're looking to replace an outdated clip or update a mistake, this tutorial will guide you through each step seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Vimeo account. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and enter your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple ones, to avoid unnecessary confusion. Once logged in, navigate your way over to the library. This is basically your video hub where all your uploads are stored. From here, you'll want to locate the specific video that needs updating. This may involve a bit of scrolling if you have a lot of content, but take your time to ensure you select the right one. Next up, once you've located the desired video, look for the three dots situated next to the share button. This might seem like a small detail, but these dots are your gateway to a range of video options. Click on them to pull up a drop-down menu. In this menu, select the option labelled Replace Video. However, it's crucial to remember that this feature is not available for users on Vimeo's free plan. You'll need a paid subscription to access this, so ensure your plan is appropriate before proceeding. If you're not on a paid plan, consider whether upgrading makes sense for your needs, as this feature isn't accessible otherwise. Next, it's time to upload the new video file. Make sure your video is in a supported format. Common formats include MP4 or MOV. Having your video in the correct format beforehand will save you time and headache, ensuring a smooth upload process. Once your video is uploaded, Vimeo takes over, handling the processing of your new file. What's particularly beneficial here is that even as you swap out the old video for the new one, Vimeo retains all the original link, stats, and settings. This functionality means you won't lose any engagement data or views tied to the original upload. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your Vimeo video with a new version while keeping all important data intact. Whether you're a content creator or a business owner, having the ability to replace and update your videos while retaining all the crucial stats is a powerful feature to master. Feel free to replay any sections of this tutorial if you need a refresher or have any doubts. And remember, as with any platform, the more you familiarize yourself with Vimeo's functionalities, the more efficient you'll become at managing your content. Thanks for joining me and happy uploading.